Getting you breaking news on top of this edition. The Aam Aadmi Party has released its fourth list of candidates for the Delhi Assembly elections. Now the fourth list has names of Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal, Atishi, the Chief Minister, and other top leaders of the party. Atishi is going to contest from the Kalkaji constituency once again. Arvind Kejriwal is going to contest from the New Delhi seat. Aam Aadmi Party's top guns, Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj, has been fielded from GK once again, while Satyendra Jain will be contesting from Shakur Basti constituency. Lots of reactions coming in. The Aam Aadmi Party too talking about its list and also taking a jibe at the BJP. But before we get you the politics around it, let's go across to how the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, top leaders, are reacting to the latest list of candidates released by the party. Arvind Kejriwal fielded from New Delhi, Atishi from Kalkaji and Saurabh Bharadwaj from GK.
देखिए, आज जो आम आदमी पार्टी की सूची आई है, उस सूची के बाद 70 की 70 सीटों पर आम आदमी पार्टी ने अपने प्रत्याशी घोषित कर दिए हैं। आज की ये आखिरी लिस्ट ये दिखाता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी पूरी तरीके से दिल्ली चुनाव में जाने के लिए तैयार है, कॉन्फिडेंट है और राजनीतिक रणनीति भी तैयार है और दिल्ली के भविष्य की नीति भी तैयार है। ये हमारी तैयारी और हमारा आत्मविश्वास दिखाता है कि चुनाव की अभी घोषणा भी नहीं हुई और 70 की 70 सीटों पर आम आदमी पार्टी ने अपने प्रत्याशी उतार दिए हैं। दूसरी तरफ हमारा मुकाबला मुख्य तौर पर यहां भाजपा से रहता है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की अभी एक भी सूची नहीं आई, एक भी प्रत्याशी का ऐलान नहीं हुआ और दूर दूर तक कई मैदान में बीजेपी नजर नहीं आ रही है। तो ये साफ तौर पे आम आदमी पार्टी के लिए एक फर्स्ट मूवर एडवांटेज, एक जंप स्टार्ट भी है और ये दिखाता है कि सिर्फ आम आदमी पार्टी ही वो पार्टी है जो पूरे नैरेटिव के साथ, रणनीति के साथ और तैयारी के साथ दिल्ली के चुनावी रण के मैदान में उतर गई है।
Tetshri is joining us live. Tetshri, the Aam Aadmi Party is sounding extremely confident. Leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party say the dates haven't been announced, but we are ready. We have announced candidates for all 70 seats. Our convener is going to fight from New Delhi. The Chief Minister right now, Atishi, is going to fight from her seat of Kalkaji. Saurabh Bharadwaj will once again fight from GK. Take us through the top highlights of the fourth and the final list of the Aam Aadmi Party for the upcoming Delhi elections.
Well, absolutely. Today was the PAC meeting that was held at Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and then this last list of the candidates was released, in which 38 names of the candidates were in fact rolled out. And today what we are getting to know, and in fact important to note, is that as you rightly mentioned, that the leaders seem to be very much confident, and not just that, we also saw the in fact social media post of a national convener of Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal, where he has hit out at BJP, taking a jibe, saying that now Aam Aadmi Party has released the list of all the candidates on all the 70 seats. But what about the BJP? BJP has not released even a single list, and in fact not announced the face of the Chief Minister as well, is what Aam Aadmi Party has been alleging. Now we'll have to see that how BJP responds to this particular claim, because you see now, as of now, this particular fight in New Delhi is going to be very much interesting, because Congress has pitched Sandeep Dixit for New Delhi, and Arvind Kejriwal is also fighting from Aam Aadmi Party on the New Delhi seat. Right. However, if you observe the list, and as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, they have continued their MLAs from the same constituencies, and in fact two new candidates are introduced, one of them who just joined Aam Aadmi Party in a press conference. But yes, we'll have to see that when the list of BJP is announced, because Congress has announced this list, but only 21 names have been announced so far, and Aam Aadmi Party has announced all the names of the candidates, and right. BJP is yet to release the list. So we'll have to see that how BJP responds to these allegations, and in fact now it will be certainly beneficial for Aam Aadmi Party also, because the candidates will be completely prepared, because the lists have been announced before the announcement of the elections. So yes, we'll have to see that how BJP counters this allegation, all these allegations when BJP announces the list, and how beneficial it will be for Aam Aadmi Party, and in fact it will also benefit BJP and Congress also to prepare the strategy, and also to in fact nominate their candidate, from where to nominate which candidate on which seat, because Aam Aadmi Party has already announced their names.
So politically, if there's one message that the opponents of the Aam Aadmi Party, both in the BJP and the Congress, have been sending to the Aam Aadmi Party, is that of the issue of corruption. But the AAP also is striking back, trying to in fact fight on the front foot, by also fielding Satyendra Jain from Shakur Basti. I'll go back to Tejshri to get more details of who are the new faces in the list, because is the focus also on giving tickets to turncoats? We'll talk about that as well. But before that, let me